Hello friends, welcome. In this video I'm going to convert the card component, movie card component in the function component. And also let me show you where the code is for this project. For this tutorial is inside the Laravel slash and react dash first dash app is the repository. Okay, next I'm going to center this image here because I don't like this. So in the movie card, here we have the image, and I'm going to add a div here with the class name to be flex, and I'm going to say justify center, and also I'm going to add padding top to be 3. Okay, and inside let's add the image now. So cut from here and paste it. And if we save, yeah, and I like something like this. Okay, now let's go and convert this into function component. The function component is going to be the same as arrow function. So I'm going to comment this one. And in here, I'm going to say const movie card is going to be equal the function. Okay. And now here is going to be our logic. Now we need to understand that what we put here, the whole function, is going to render. Instead, in the class component, we can see we have this render, and also we have this function here. We have this component didn't mount, and maybe we have another function. So in the class components, it's going to render only the render what we have here inside this render. But this is the class component. This is going to be the function component. Now in the function component is going to render the whole code we put here. So if we have this function in here and also the render is going to render all the code. Okay. Now the function component takes arguments which are props in here. You can see in the React.js. Okay. And it's going to return JSX. So here we are going to return what we have. So let's copy from here and paste it inside. Let's uncomment this. Okay, now we need to have the poster, the title, property, year, and runtime. How we can get, because we have props in our function components. So the function component receive props, let's say props, but we need array destruction. So here we have array destruction for movies. Let's copy that and paste it inside here. Now instead of this props movie, we don't have in the function component this, but we have props, and we are going to say props movie. Also, we can get directly the movie from here because we know we get props, and we can say destruction here, the movie. Okay. And now instead of prop movie, we can say directly the movie like this. Now, if I save this one and let's go to the React app, import as movie card. Ah, yeah, we don't, I forget to export default movie card. So let's copy this and paste it down there and save it. And everything is going to work correctly. So if I search, but this has no problem with search, this is only the card what we show here. So the same thing we had with this class, we converted to the function components. And we see now the function components takes an argument, which are probes, and return the JSX. Now, in this case, we don't have state, we don't use state, but in the app.js, we have state also. And with the function component, we have the use state hook. Okay. And we are going to learn how we can use the use state hook and also the use effect hook. Okay. So I hope you understand now how we can convert from class component and into the function component. So let's remove this code now because everything worked correctly. And it's very easy. We just, because here we don't have what I said, we don't have the state and we don't have another methods. We just get the props and return the JSX. So all the best, friends, and see you in the next video. If you like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share with your friends. All the best.